Let's begin. Today I received 2 boxes from PS Audio, owned by one of my subscribers. He lent them to me even before he opens the box. So let's start by opening the box. I will only record one box being unboxed because both of them are identical inside, which is power amp, monoblock from PS Audio. You can, however, see me unbox 2 of these units simply by watching the video twice. So again, let's begin. After opening the box, I can see yet another box, so it's a double box thingy, making the inside box always clean and white. And obviously it's better for shipping anyway. Opening the inside box, I immediately see a PS Audio catalog printed in color on what appears to be a photo paper. Under the catalog, get ready for this. Manuel! It is a welcome addition. However, it's a power amplifier. You plug it in, you turn it on. That's it. And the power cord it includes, it's nice and thick. So, how's the power amp themselves? Keep watching. Everything is made of thick gauge metal, and because of that, the functionality is almost kind of like a Faraday cage, ensuring there's no electromagnetic interference that goes into the amp. Same goes with radio frequency interference. At the back of the power amplifier, you can see the binding posts, trigger in and out, a balance input, and also an RCA input. And at the other end, you can see the power switch, ground, and 3-prong IEC power input. I've seen solidly built power amplifiers before, obviously. However, this solid at this price range, it's hard to come by. Okay, it's nicely built, but how's the sound quality? For the listening test, I used the Rotel 1590, Tascam CRW 9000 professional mastering CD recorder, Technics SL1000 turntable, and Tascam MD CD1 professional mini disc recorder. And the result is extremely good. Very, very extremely good. Even when there's no signal whatsoever and I set that volume level to the absolute maximum, I don't hear any hum, I don't hear any hiss. It's extremely clean and pristine. Without any exaggeration, it's magnificent. As usual, I listen to Tony Bennett Unplugged, Jerry Halliwell's Schizophonic, and many other albums including Gloria Estefan, Michael Jackson History, Madonna True Blue, even Wham! And I listen to them in 3 different formats, which is mini disc, LP, and CD. To my surprise, I can really hear the difference between the 3 different formats very clearly using these power amplifiers. Not that I cannot hear the difference before, but it was somewhat subtle before, but now it's very, very clear. I wish my power amplifiers are that great. I would love to upgrade my power amplifier to this MA700. However, the budget is just not there. Perhaps after I win the lottery? So if you have reached this far, please kindly like, share, subscribe to my channel. Share your thoughts in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye!